Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2016 Kawasaki Vulcan S. This is the ABS model, ABS brakes, the SE with the two-tone paint scheme, metallic blue and black, fantastic condition, only 18,000 miles on this gorgeous Vulcan S 650 twin cylinder, liquid cooled, fuel injection. This bike is priced to sell at just $49.99. This is a real looker. It is not going to be here long. If you like this bike, don't wait, don't hesitate. Come on down. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.